Hello class and welcome to week 4. This week we're going to be studying staying competitive with analytics. Let's get into the week 4 overview. So this week's case study is going to provide insight on how to stay competitive by using analytics to make more informed decisions. You're going to research multi-attribute utility theory, which is a predictive analytics method, and you're going to review econometrics, which is a branch of economics where statistical forecasting is practiced. The required reading for this week is Harvard Business Review, Competing on Analytics. Make sure you review the videos also. These are very informative and interesting. And then the discussion question for this week, you're going to research multi-attribute utility theory and econometrics, and you're going to discuss how are these strategies used for decision making. And then let's take a look at the assignment. You're going to write a 2 to 3 page paper examining 3 companies reviewed in the Harvard Business Review article for the week. You're going to talk about how the companies profiled in the HRB or HBR article have taken advantage of data analytics to advance their organization. You're going to describe their tactics and give specific examples. And again, make sure you follow these 7 items. You want to use a great title. You should have a narrative hook, something that grabs your reader, and an APA title should be, I believe, around 12 words. You can look that up and double check me, but it should be significant and it should have a narrative hook, something that will grab your reader and pull them in and make them want to read more. Number 2, use illustrative examples to make your point. You can include relevant images and supporting charts, but make sure that you are providing proper APA citation and reference for any chart that you borrow or any image that you borrow. If you don't create the image from scratch or you don't create the chart from scratch, you need to provide a citation and reference. Make sure you have a strong introduction. You know, a lot of times people are just going to read the introduction and they lose interest. So you really have to grab them in that first paragraph and make them want to keep reading and learning more about what you have to say. And then answer the question, why has each company been successful with data analytics? Make sure that you have a strong conclusion, summarize your key points, and what would be a good next step for your reader. Make sure you cite your sources and use APA formatting. Remember, for every reference, you have to have a citation. For every citation, you have to have a reference. It is worth 100 points. You will upload a Microsoft Word document. Make sure that your VeriCite score is below 25%. If it isn't, you'll need to rework the paper a little bit. It's a 2 to 3 page paper. You're examining the 3 companies that are reviewed in the Harvard Business Review article for the week. And then you're going to include, again, a great title. Use some examples to make your point. Include relevant images and supporting charts. You want to include a strong introduction. So why should your reader keep reading to learn more? Really focus on the question of why each company has been successful with data analytics, and include a strong conclusion. Summarize your key points, and make sure you point out the next good step for your reader. And once again, you'll be examined on critical thinking and analytical skills and utilization of research. You want peer-reviewed scholarly material, and also on the quality and organization of the writing. You should use headings to help organize your writing. It helps your reader stay focused, and it provides clarity to your writing. So you want to use headings, make good transitions from each point, from one point to the next. Proofread, make sure you don't have any spelling errors. Make sure you're properly citing every reference, and for every reference you have a citation, and for every citation you have a reference. All right, so that is an overview for this week. Good luck. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you in the discussion.